Yo guys, I'm just about to reveal to you the hottest meta in crypto right now. You want to know? Now that is streaming or launching Memecoin on pump.fun, and I'm going to show you how you can launch yours for absolutely free. Go to pump.fun, that's the fun website, and you can see we're on pump.fun right here, and you could see different creators. Now I want to give you an idea of what you could make as a creator. This is not like rock pool or all those pump and dump. What you could make creating Memecoin and pump.fun. Now let's click on this creator that just pop up right here. Now on this platform you could create Memecoin as many as possible. You could create and then go live with your Memecoin, and when people see you live, they get to trust the Memecoin, they get to trust the token more and begin to buy. You could see live chat right here. People are talking genuinely a rock star, not even trying to food or what people.
Though I must admit I'm authorized to neither 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗔𝗦𝗢𝗔
of the creator. Now we'll click on that side. You see the number of followers the creator have, how much they have in their Solana balance right here, and then how many coins they've created. This creator has created about one coin, just one coin, and the creator is currently live with this one coin. Now this is how much this creator has made in fees with just this one coin, and that's about $152 that this creator has made from fees alone. Look at this, still holds some quantity of the coin. Let's see what he got. Let's see his balance. Now you don't necessarily, he doesn't even have a balance. He did not even buy the coin himself, or probably he has sold everything. So let's go back to the coin. Let's go back and see if he sold, if he bought before and probably sold. The coin right now is currently at $16.7 million in market cap. Oh, it jumped to $21 million in market. All of this buying and selling, you see developer bought here, and so all this here.
What actually happened to the
and community
microwave? The whole breakthroughs.
that
It smells like
well, okay. He's saying that it just
it will dex to some kind of chemical reaction. Someone tried eating up their lunch in a metal container.
let us take out the volume. So now the creator just said that they just paid for DEX listing and other things. So all this buying and selling, whether people buy, you get more creators fee. People don't get more creators fee. You can see the maximum that this coin has gone to right now is about, the maximum is about $25,000 in market cap, and the creator has gotten that much fee. That's about over $100, and this is just less than 27 minutes of launch, and the creator has gotten that much in fee. Let's check again. Let's click on buy. You can see it's about $150, $155 right now. It will keep increasing as long as people continue to buy and sell this token. Now let's go back to home page. Let's see some creators that have made some really good bag of money from trading, and most of all, they don't need to be popular. These creators aren't even popular in any way. They are not even popular anywhere. Okay, let's do so. Now you have to log in with your Solana wallet. So when you log in, just like you could create a Memecoin around anything, virtually anything. You could create the Memecoin around trending topics. By now you know that. And now you click on create. Now when you click on create, let's say we are expecting CPI data, or just where the crypto market is expecting a rate cut right now. So now we want to create a cryptocurrency around rate cut. Okay, so now here we are going to give it a name. Let's give it a name. Let's call it rate cut. That is federal rate cut. Fed rate cut. So I'm just giving a random name. So I'll give it the ticker FRC Federal Rate Cut. So description, give it a description. Let's call it Federal Rate Cut. And then here you have to add the social links. So if you have a website, you add the website. If you have a Twitter and X account you created, you add. You have a Telegram that you've created already, you add. However, you could just create an X group and then add. Okay, it doesn't necessarily need to be an X account. You can also create a Telegram group and just add. Now the next thing you want to do is to add a profile picture. So I just added this picture. I don't even know what it is or what it means or what is it about. Okay, so now the next thing is, or you could add, or maybe I might change it later. The next thing is you have to click on create coin. Now when you click on create coin, it will prompt you to be the first to buy. If you don't buy first, snipers are going to buy before you. Okay, and you could actually proceed without buying anything here. Let me put 1.0. If you proceed without buying this coin, the coin will be created. Your token can still be created. So you can just click on proceed. When you click on proceed, this is how it will look like. This is how the chart will look like. It will be blank, and it comes with about, I think about, you see, have like about $6.6 thousand market cap right there. So now, unless you make the first buy, and once you make the first buy, no matter how small, either with 0.1 so, 0.5 so, 0.01 so, now you are definitely going to pay the, what do they call it, the $7 pump fund fee, and your token is created. All right, so it's always recommended, if you don't want to buy much, all you want to profit from is the creator reward. So but it's actually good to have to own some much of your token. So if you have some good money to buy, let's say $200, $100, or $50 or $300, it's even way better than just creating. Or you could buy after creating, but by then people must have bought. People might jump on you on your own token. All right, so that's basically it. The next thing entails you just going live and with the token. Okay, just like you can see right there. Let me go back. Let's go back. Okay, so now to go live from this token right here, this is how we go live. Now the next thing we're going to do is to click on start stream and scroll down for this terms and conditions. Okay, now it's either you want to stream directly with your face, or you want to stream, or you want to enable audio. Maybe you want to stream from your browser or from any other stuff. Now you give the stream a title, and then you choose, if you are streaming directly from your webcam, then it means you have to enable this video here. But if you're streaming from your desktop, let's say pre-recorded video or something, then you need to use, or maybe from another software, you need to put this streaming software, add the description, and then you click go live. Remember, you initially bought the token. Now when you go live, you see people will be adding up right here. You can see there are one person here, there are two person just came in right now. So you don't need to be a big creator on this platform to see people. Imagine I see 3%, but these people here that are coming can't buy because I've not put any single soul into this my token right here. 4%. So if I leave this live on or something, they are seeing blank screen, they are not seeing any actual light. So if I wanted to go live, or let's say I wanted to do my camera show, or enable camera, or enable this microphone, the next thing is maybe I'll share this screen. If I want to share screen, I'll share screen, even if it's a player, or maybe I'll choose a video, or maybe I want to choose any window that I want to share, a particular window, or I want to share the entire screen. So whatever I want to do, I can share, and then if people will pretty join the live, and then you make a whole lot of money. It looks pretty easy right now. I know this may not be for the longest, but right now that this is on, seize this opportunity, get in and make very good use of it.